ये हमारी कार है और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है।
ये कैमरा है, ये हम हैं और यहाँ जर्नलिज्म की माँ बहन नहीं हो रही है। Hey there my fellow Indians, welcome to News Hamster. So on News Hamster we have firmly resolved that we will not report anything related to Kangana Ranaut as we believe that this is not news and we aim at providing content which has some depth. We saw a glacier burst wreak havoc in the state of Uttarakhand, particularly from the river system of Dhauli Ganga and Alaknanda in the regions of the Chamoli or the Tapovan. We saw that over 150 people have been missing and 54 bodies have been recovered from this particular disaster. We are quite aware that the state of Uttarakhand lies in the fragile ecosystem of the Himalayan region, and the construction activities and the infrastructural development worsen the particular scenario over there. These construction activities or infrastructure developments like construction of dam and others don't cause the particular natural disasters per se but do exacerbate them, just like how Indian media exacerbates polarization. A committee in the year 2013 after the Uttarakhand deluge was set up called as the Chopra Committee to provide recommendations about how we take care of this particular ecosystem. The committee provided that there should be no construction done in the paraglacial region, but now what's happening there is something that we all can see. Next important news is that the Ladakh crisis between India and China, which was starting from April 2020, is finally going to end as the troops from both nations will disengage in quote-unquote strategic verified in a coordinated manner. So finally this problem will come to an end, where at one point in time we even reached the brink of the war and lost several soldiers, and with the diplomatic and political skills India will be able to maneuver its way out of this problem. But a lot of critics and experts are of the opinion that the problem cannot be completely solved and it should be done in a proper manner, in a better manner, and should be dealt with. India should never drop its guard when it comes to China and such hostile neighbors. To know what exactly happened between India and China, press the I button and watch this particular video. Self-promotion done right. Have you heard of the name Rona Wilson? He is one of the prime accused in the Bhima Koregaon case and currently resides in jail. Recently, a US-based digital forensic firm, Arsenal Consulting, has submitted an investigation report to the National Investigation Agency that the agency currently exploring the Bhima Koregaon case has found out that the evidence has been fabricated in Rona Wilson's laptop by planting incriminating documents about this particular incident. The investigation was published in the Washington Post on February 10, 2020. In a report submitted by Arsenal Consulting, it has been revealed that one of the accused activists, Rona Wilson, suffered a malware attack preceding his arrest in June 2018. The report states that the malware was used to deposit at least 10 incriminating letters on Wilson's computer based on Arsenal Computing's examination of an electronic copy of the laptop. So how the investigation will proceed and what steps NIA will take, only time will tell. A 21-year-old climate activist Disha A. Ravi was arrested from Bengaluru city by the Delhi police for allegedly sharing the toolkit that Greta Thunberg had tweeted. She basically retweeted what Greta Thunberg had tweeted. Disha Ravi has been charged with sedition, criminal conspiracy and promoting enmity. Well, there are various reactions to this particular news. The first one is, this is correct. Why you should share all kinds of anti-national things on your social media? You can vomit anything there or what? Number 2. Disha beta, leave all this. Just go to school and study. Why are you worried about climate change and environment? When you're a small child, we adults ourselves are not worried about it. Number 3. Say this schools and all, what they are doing means simply they are taking money, they are celebrating Environment Day, One Mahotsav, awareness they are creating. What is the need? These children should be concerned about getting bright future, getting bright mass, getting bright husband. What is this? Climate, environment, plastic? Pass the cigarettes. Let us hear from a stalwart anti-national about what this toolkit shared by Greta Thunberg meant.
22 साल की दिशा ए रवि को इस प्रकार के टूल किट बनाने के मामले में गिरफ्तार किया गया है। पहले मामला समझते हैं। यह ध्यान रखें कि टूल किट शब्द का प्रयोग पहली बार पुलिस ने नहीं, ग्रेटा थैनबर्ग ने किया। क्लाइमेट एक्टिविस्ट ग्रेटा थनबर्ग ने 3 फरवरी को अपने ट्विटर हैंडल से ट्वीट किया और एक टूल किट भी जारी किया। इस टूल किट में लिखा है कि कृषि कानूनों को हटाने के लिए सरकार पर दबाव बनाने के लिए देश के भीतर और देश के बाहर से क्या क्या करना है। इसमें कहीं भी हिंसक गतिविधि की बात नहीं है। बेशक लिखा है कि वीडियो बनाना है, अपलोड करना है, किसी खास समय पर #AskIndiaWhy नाम से ट्विटर पर ट्रेंड कराना है, तस्वीरें साझा करनी है। ऐसा करने के लिए 23 जनवरी, 26 जनवरी, 13-14 फरवरी का दिन तय किया गया। अगर मार्च में हिस्सा नहीं ले सकते तो डिजिटली हिस्सा लीजिए। फोटो वीडियो को किसी खास ईमेल पर भेजने की बात कही गई है। साथ ही वही फोटो वीडियो प्रधानमंत्री के कार्यालय से लेकर अपने राज्य के प्रमुखों को टैग करने की भी बात है। भारतीय दूतावासों, सरकारी दफ्तरों, मीडिया के दफ्तरों और अंबानी अडानी के दफ्तर के बाहर दुनिया भर में प्रदर्शन करना है, यह लिखा है। तो आपने देखा कि जिस तरह से 17 सितंबर 2020 के अभियान के लिए बेरोजगार नौजवान टूल किट वायरल करा रहे थे कि कब थाली बजानी है, कब क्या करना है, वही भाषा और उसी तरह की योजना ग्रेटा थनबर्ग के ट्वीट में बताई गई है, जिसे टूल किट कहा जा रहा है।
Shantam, Papam, Toba, what is this? Anyway, talking about Toba, Munawar Faruqui has been released from jail and remains free. But we are not free from coronavirus yet. But who cares? No masks, it's chill, big fat weddings. Welcome to normalcy. 2021 is here, yeah. Okay, cut it. Talking about coronavirus, we are still in the middle of the vaccination drive and 0.6% of the population has been inoculated in a span of a month. And to reach proper herd immunity, we would require to inoculate 60% of our population. And going at the current rate, we would reach there in around 47 months. And that is why a lot of experts are saying that we need to use free market principles to allow the vaccination drive, where we are allowing choice and competition to take place in the straight way and in the right way. What about the farmers' protest? They are still going on and no solution has been reached yet. But anyway, sab changa si, because the petrol prices have shot up to almost 100 rupees in various places. There are few fluctuations, but the sad part is that Big Boss is coming to an end and the future looks so damn bleak, man. Che.
Oh my God! Wow!
Anyway, you guys stay safe, क्योंकि सब कुछ है मेरे देश में। रोटी नहीं तो क्या, वादा लपेट लो, लंगोटी नहीं तो।
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked it, press the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends for true, fair and factual journalism without any kind of inclination and no earning also. Anyway, you can also check out www.thenewshamster.com for regular updates, articles and opinions. Don't forget to follow us on our social media handles on Instagram or Twitter. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care. Jai Hind.